In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GoHighLevel email templates and workflows. If you're looking to streamline your email marketing efforts within the GoHighLevel platform, this guide will help you create and effectively implement email templates in your workflows. First, let's start with creating an email template. To begin, make your way to the marketing section. From there, navigate to emails and then click on templates. Once you're on the templates page, you'll see an option to create a new template. After selecting it, you have a few choices regarding the format. You can choose between the design editor for a more graphical approach, the plain text for straightforward communication, or the HTML/code editor if you're comfortable with coding and want complete control over the design. Now it's time to build your email. Begin by adding a subject line that will catch your audience's attention. Incorporate branding elements to ensure your emails are instantly recognizable. You might want to add buttons that call your audience to take specific actions, images to make your content more engaging, and personalization tags that make your emails feel tailored and unique to each recipient. Once you're satisfied with your email, hit Save Template. Remember, GoHighLevel's templates are versatile, supporting drag-and-drop blocks like text, videos, social icons, countdown timers, and even product grids, which can greatly enhance the interactive experience of your emails. With your template prepared, let's move to the Workflows section by heading over to Automation and then Workflows. You have the option to either create a brand new workflow from scratch or edit an existing one. Before adding in any emails, it's essential to configure your trigger and decide on the conditions of your workflow. Triggers are the events that set the workflow into motion. These could be anything from a form being submitted, an appointment being booked, a tag being added, or a purchase being completed. Now we'll add the Send Email action into your workflow. Click the plus button within your workflow to add a new action and choose Send Email from the options. This action allows you to integrate your email templates seamlessly. In the new email action interface, you'll find the option to select an email template. Click on Templates and choose the template you saved earlier. Once selected, your template will load directly into the workflow step, ready to be sent out as part of your sequence. What's particularly convenient about GoHighLevel is its ability to create a separate copy of the template for each workflow step. This means any edits you make stay isolated from your original master template, allowing you to customize the email for specific scenarios or campaigns without affecting the original design or content. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using GoHighLevel email templates within your workflows. With these tools at your fingertips, managing and optimizing your email marketing campaigns becomes a much more streamlined and efficient process. Happy emailing!